Guys, good evening. Walking time kami ni Habi, guys. Ayan. And guys, walking time kami ni Habi. No, that's the rat, Habi. That's rat. Oh. Naku, nakakaloko. Para siyang uulan, guys. Ayan yung ulap, oh. Madilim.
I'm having a wardrobe malfunction.
Wala siyang sunset. The sunset siya.
My pants coming down. Bees and
What?
bugs always attracted to me, but they smell so good.
No, you are stinky.
Flowers.
Love like flowers? Hawak kamay, di kita iiwan. Hawak kamay. Yes, Habi? Yan, suot niya yung regalo yan ng anak ko sa kanya, yung t-shirt. Like it. Manila Philippines. Yes, Habi? Yes? You're pogi?
Yes, I'm Pogie. You're stinky. You're stinky.
Nakidlat siya, guys. Uulan na siguro to. It's a big house. Madilim na siya, guys. Guys, madilim na siya. Tingnan, guys, yung ulap.
Buzzing like that.
Black. Pabalik na kami, guys, ng bahay. That's raining, baby. Balik na kami, guys. Umuulan na siya, guys.
I didn't know if that was...
Guys, nakauwi na kami ng bahay. Naulan na sa labas. Ayun lang, guys. Thank you for watching my video. See you later. Bye-bye.